and continuing with what if Goku achieved Ultra Instinct against Vegeta. Last we left off when Goku defeated Ginyu, and I am excited for this part because this part will be with Frieza. After the battle with Ginyu, Goku was very hurt because he was in Ginyu's body and Ginyu injured himself. So Goku was healing, and Gohan and Krillin were changing their course, and Vegeta too. While Frieza was after the Dragon Ball, he went to many Namekian village and he destroyed them all. Finally, he got the seven Dragon Balls, and now he was gonna make a wish. If you're still wondering where are Zarbon and Darodia, but Vegeta killed them. He found a Namekian boy and it was Dende. He said to Dende, "If you summon the dragon, I will spare your life." But Dende said, "I will not summon the dragon. You killed our people." Frieza was mad at him. Frieza said, "If you don't summon the dragon, I will kill you." But Dende was terrified and summoned the dragon immediately. But when he summoned, Dende said the spell, the dragon Porunga came out and said, "I am Dragon Porunga, say your wish." Frieza was about to say his wish, but some people came to help. When Frieza looked back, there were Gohan, Krillin and Vegeta all standing behind. Frieza said, "What are you doing here, Vegeta? And who are these people? I don't know them. Tell me." Vegeta replied, "These are the ones who will revenge planet Vegeta and help me revenge my planet." Gohan said, "Yes, we will help him because he is our friend now. He saved my dad's life. He saved my dad from dying." Frieza said, "Ho, ho, 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 ho. Vegeta, forget about avenging your planet. It will never be back. And kid, shut up." Vegeta was angry. He punched Frieza, but Frieza dodged it easily. He kicked Frieza, and Frieza dodged it easily too. He was terrified. Why Frieza attacks? He was very angry. He gave him a Gallic gun, but it doesn't work. Vegeta was shocked. His strongest attack didn't work. Vegeta was angry and he launched a Gallic gun at Frieza, and Frieza barely got attacked with it. Frieza launched a death beam at Vegeta and said, "Ho, ho, ho, ho. Vegeta, I said, your planet will be never revised. Don't try to avenge it." Then Goku arrived and Frieza said, "There are more Saiyans alive. I will kill this one too. Ha, ho, 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 ho." Vegeta said, "Kakarot, please avenge the Saiyan race and your father too." The fight between the two began. Goku gave him a perch and it hit Frieza, but Frieza was alright, and Goku then gave him a punch. Frieza said, "This Saiyan is strong. I need to kill him or else he will kill me." Frieza shoot a death beam, but Goku dodged it. Frieza was shocked and said, "How did you dodge my death beam?" Goku said, "It's because of hard training and meditation. You will achieve it too." Frieza then gave Goku a punch. Goku barely dodged it because it was so powerful. Then Frieza gave him a kick and it was another. Frieza was tired of butting Goku and kicking him. He was dodging everything. You remember, this Goku is very powerful then. This Goku is very strong than the original one. His power level is 90,000. Goku gave him a punch, then Frieza gave him a kick, and Frieza had enough. He was about to kill Krillin, but Goku stopped him. And then Goku made a spirit bomb. Goku has made the spirit bomb and he threw at Frieza, and Frieza was thought as dead. But surprisingly, Frieza was not dead because he was in his final form. He punched Goku and quickly killed Krillin. Goku was bad at it. This triggered Goku to transform into Ultra Instinct again, and Frieza was shocked, and Vegeta remembered this because he fought with it. Goku punched Frieza and Frieza was very injured. Then Goku kicked him and do a Kamehameha and Frieza was done. So yeah guys, this is it for this video. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an episode. And see the first part of Minecraft and on my second channel, What If Universe. And there I've uploaded the first part of what Minecraft survival part. Bye.